welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a Yume Twins box. Again, I did not realize I was getting sent another one, so here we are, second one. I only signed up for the first one, but I'm not mad. I was actually excited about that box. So I'm stoked to open this one for you guys. I have no idea what's in this just because I didn't pay attention to anything that was going on with it, just because I didn't think I was going to be getting one. So yeah, I'm going to open this real quick and see what's inside this month's box. And you guys seem to like this video, so I might just keep the subscription. Alright. So this one has a Happy Zoo yearbook. It is so cute. And that's the inside page. I don't know why I like these inside pages, but I do. So that is cute. Alright, and I know this lighting is whack. I've been trying to figure out this ring light. I am not great at it yet because the lighting changes with it in and out. It's really weird. Whenever I hold anything like up to it, it's strange, but I will figure it out. Don't worry. This might take me a few videos, so sorry. Alrighty, this looks like a placemat. It's a fish. I think it's a cutting board. And this is what it looks like. It's really hard to get it straightened out though. I have to put something on it to like flatten it, but it has like a little hole for its mouth. Yeah, so I got a fish cutting board, I think. This is a blanket. I'm guessing you like sit like this. It's a mini blankie. I have no idea what this is for. It's a Yuribu blanket. And I have a cute mini blanket. I could give this to my kitties. They could sit on it and love. I don't know what it's for, but it's like... Can you see that? Alright. I got this singing little dude. You know, I'm sorry, I don't know what this is. But he's cute. He can be added to my collection of craziness behind me. All the stuffed animals. I love them all. Alright, and then this is a kitchen sponge. So I got a bunch of cute kitchen stuff. Look at this sponge. It's a fish. Got a nice rough side, nice squishy side. Get your dishes nice and clean with this. Which I could use this actually in a coffee mug so I can make some coffee. But yeah, so I got this little fish sponge. I'm going to put this in the packaging so it doesn't get gross. Alright, and next is this. It appears to be a charm. Oh, so there's a pin. It straight up has a safety pin on it. Holy moly. Okay, here's a cute little pin. And then this cute little like scrunchy hair tie that you can like hook on something. Or probably wear it in your hair. I'm guessing you can wear it in your hair. Double around. It's super cute though. I like that you can like hang it on your stuff. That way you don't lose it. But I highly doubt that's what it's actually. I don't know what this is for. Okay, and last but not least are these super cute stickers. Which, these are actually adorable. So there's this one. So cute. And then there's this cute one. It's just so adorable. And then there's this one. This is the biggest one. It's so cute. I really like these stickers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things and this little book. And this box. But yeah, so everything was pretty cute from that box. I had no idea what it was, so that was all a super surprise to me. I wish I knew I was getting it because I literally signed up for only 1 month, so it's a little annoying, I guess, but it's okay. I don't know what most of the stuff in this box is from. Like, I know the like Hello Kitty thing. Even though I don't think it's Hello Kitty, it's something else. But the blanket, I have no idea. The cutting board is cool and the sponge, I can use those. And then the little like raccoon, I think is what that is. That little raccoon, he's cute. He'll just go into my stuffed animal collection that you guys can kind of see. They're currently like covered with blankets because I sleep like a crazy person. Well, I don't sleep with like a crazy person. I don't sleep like a crazy person. I just throw my blankets onto everything when I wake up, so then it all gets covered, and then when I go to bed they all come out. So there's a lot of stuffed animals on my bed. It's a little crazy, but I love it, so it's cool. And yeah, so that's that box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will definitely check out what next month's box is gonna be, so I'm aware. Or I don't know if I don't think I'm gonna cancel. It just depends on what it is. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, have a good rest of your day. Bye guys.